Wolf here, and we are back for a part 2. Only then the moon shrine can be repaired. I don't care about no moon shrine. And we obviously have Maddie here. Oh, what happened? The screen is blank. Ha, hello. Ice pack.
I go to the ice pack.
Ice pack, like the thing you put on your head when it's bruised.
Enough jokes.
No, I'm actually good. Cherry pack camp? Oh, the cherry pack was probably so... Yeah, I'm actually going to that one. Yeah, we're going to the cherry pack camp.
Okay.
If that one's prettier. Oh, the fire pack camp.
Want to skip this?
Skip! How do you...
Nammy's just eating.
Num 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 num. Maddie, what are you eating?
An apple.
Give a rating on this apple. This is taking too long! FBI, open up! Dark pack camp? It's too dark. I can't...
I forgot that even existed.
There should be a light pack camp.
Thunder.
Brum, brum, brum. I see absolutely nothing in the dark. Okay, yeah. This is getting so boring. Oh, wait. Okay, bet. I guess we're going... Zombie. I love how we don't take fall damage.
Yeah. Hey, don't start.
Okay, yeah, guys. My, tablet is, like, glitching out so much. I don't know why.
Nobody knows why.
Literally nobody. And it better not glitch out again, or else I'm gonna scream bloody murder. I don't know what just happened. I literally just glitched into the sky. Oh no. I can't.
Where the heck are you?
Coming. I'm coming, that's where I am. And I see a creeper, and I want to kill.
I see you.
Whee!
Where do you want to go first, Buster?
I just fell. And I have fallen, and I cannot get up. Okay, no more jokes. For real. Okay, if we don't make a joke, if we actually committed to that, we wouldn't be talking at all. Where are you? Wee! No, I can't see you.
I am right here.
Hey! Okay.
Yeah. Right, so where do you want to go, Bestie?
Over here. Yeah. Yahoo! It's a me, Mario.
No, don't mind us just saying things at the same time.
It's a me, Mario.
Nobody cares, Luigi.
Oh crap! We need to get we need to get coins.
Hold on, we need to talk to the pack. Look at the wolves.
Where's the pack?
The pack leader is right over here. And it's a kill.
Ow.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I need... Oh, wait. We just grabbed tokens. Let's go grab some bamboo.
Where are they?
Wait, I don't know where the bamboo is, though. Oh, there it is. I love that we don't take fall damage.
Me too. Okay, Bestie, I'm getting as much wheat as possible. Okay, where's the person that you trade with to get tokens?
It has like a wolf, like a circle with a wolf in it.
Oh, okay, I bet. Ow. No, where's the person that you trade with?
Well, you should see that, and then right under it, there should be that guy.
Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Actually, I think I'm gonna make a part 3 tomorrow. Cause I have to go right now, but I will make a part 3 tomorrow, guys. Bye.